Hi, my name is Todd Foisey from the National Weather Service in Caribou, and I'm going to cover some of the changes with the new updated website. So first off, about the change, all offices in eastern region of the United States, all Weather Service offices, have gone to this new web page. So if I were to go, for example, southwest, you'll notice the gray forecast office has a very similar page to the Weather Service in Caribou. So there's a much more uniform look. So I'm going to go over getting to some of the basic things that most people will want to find really quickly. So first off, to get your forecast, you can type your location in this box here at top left, or you can click on the map. So let's say I click on Presque Isle. That will take me to the full forecast. You can change your forecast location just by clicking on this Google map, and that'll change where your forecast is for. So that's a quick way to get the forecast. Also from this web page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can get some frequently requested products such as maybe the forecast discussion, or down here you can click on these little icons to get our gridded forecasts, the pictures of what we're forecasting. So let me go back. You can also customize this web page by typing in your location in this box. So if I want to always see the forecast for Caribou, I can enter it, hit Remember Me, Get Weather, and there you'll have this on your web page each time you go here. That's a nice little feature. Another feature that a lot of people request is the Public Information Statement, which is basically a list of our latest snowfall, rainfall reports, and other interesting information. So there's a couple ways to get to it. One way is to go down here towards the bottom, click on Text Bulletins, then click on Public Information Statement, and then click on Caribou, and there you can see Public Information Statement, some of the recent snowfall amounts. So let me go back. So the web page kind of is from where I'm drawing here and below. These links at the top are more for the national page, but these links here are for the Caribou web page, and here are some of our top news headlines. So you'll find some interesting information up here. In these menus, you can get things like the current hazards, which you could also get by looking at the map here and clicking on the map. But under here, there's some additional information, like you might enjoy the briefing page. That's a little quick briefing page we made for our emergency managers, but you may enjoy it as well. There's some different sections for, say, winter hazards. It's a little bit slow to load here. Here we go. Showing some snow maps. And also, going back to the main page, a lot of people like our winter weather web page that shows some of the snow maps, and you can still get to that a couple ways. One way is by clicking on this link here, Seasonal Weather Information, and here you see our page with our snowfall forecast, none forecast at the time. Or you can get to it by going to Forecasts and Current Hazards and Winter, and that will go to also our web page that shows the snow graphics and the warning text if it's available. So going back, another thing that a lot of people request or want to find, again, is those gridded forecasts that I showed you could get to by clicking on the map. You can also get to those by going Forecast, where is it, Map View right here. That will get, as you can see, the gridded forecasts. Going back, you can also, under the Forecast menu, get the Forecaster's Discussion. A lot of people like to read this. This is the basically the thinking from our forecasters. It can be a little bit more technical, but this is a product a lot of people want to see. Going back, another thing that a lot of people want to see is the climate information, and I'm going to do another tutorial on it, but basically you can go to Climate and Past Weather, click Past Observed Weather, and I'm going to do another video covering how to get most of the things on this web page, but you can get a lot of climate information here. And so check out YouTube for that other video. Also, there's some neat information over here in the local programs section. Some things like storm total maps. You could see the maps of snowfall totals after each storm. and some other interesting things like some severe climatology maps, some seasonal and monthly snowfall maps, some things that are definitely worth checking out. And also there's a lot of other icon links down here at the bottom to additional information that you may find interesting. For example, here's an additional link to the forecaster's discussion. Here's a link to marine forecasts. So there's a lot of stuff here, and it does take some getting used to. If you have any questions at all, please do feel free to contact us. Here's our contact information. You can send an email to carwebmaster, that's one word, at noaa.gov, and we will take your comments and try to help you. If you're looking for something, try to help you find what on the web page you're looking for. So that's all I have here. Again, feel free to contact us. Have a great day.